Well, so which is the most luxurious car in the world and which is the most luxurious car launch of India? Well, these two things aren't completely separate, they have to be the same. But before going further, let me just remind you that these awards are brought to you by Bootmo.com. Bootmo, of course, are the online expert when it comes to spare parts. They have the spare parts for all vehicles in India. You might have a small car, you might have an expensive car, you might have a car which is no longer made or sold in India. They'll provide you the spare parts and the entire catalog is there. So check them out by hitting the link in the description below, and also you can check them out on your iOS as well as Android devices because the apps are available for both these devices. Bootmo, the online expert when it comes to spare parts. Now let's get back to our video. Talking about the luxury car, there's only one car which is the epitome of luxury, and when Mercedes launches a new S-Class, then everybody takes notice, including buyers, including journalists, including the rivals as well, and each and every S-Class really takes the game up a notch. And the new version of the car, well, it's simply mind-blowing, simply breathtaking because it is a fantastic car to look at. It's a beautiful car to sit in. It really is as opulent as the luxury suite of a 5-star or 7-star luxury hotel, and it comes loaded with features. It really is a feature-loaded car. I mean, I can't even remember all the features because there are so many of them, and the interiors are just special. The back seat is glorious place to be in. It really is a fantastic place, and really, if you see my video review of that car, you'll notice that it is the ultimate car of the world, and really people call it the ultimate car in the world without not without any reason, because it really is the best car. All other rivals just seem to play catch up with each new S-Class. They can't match it and they try and load the same features, and even manufacturers from lower segments or more affordable cars always look at the S-Class as the benchmark when it comes to luxury and try and mimic something from this car. So the S-Class is clearly head and shoulders above every other car in this year's new luxury car launches, and that's why it is our best luxury car of the year. If you're lucky enough to have this kind of cash lying around, just close your eyes and buy the Mercedes S-Class.